Good morning, dear children. Children, today we are going to start lesson number 7, The Story of Flying Robot. It's a very beautiful poem written by Heinrich Hoffmann. So let's begin the lesson. This poem is about a little boy, Robert, who loves to play out in rain. Okay, and he likes rainy season. I know most of you also like rainy season. Even I like. And we also like to play out in rain, but our parents don't allow us to do that, isn't it? So, children, let's read this poem and learn more about Robert. Okay, first of all, I will read the poem, listen it carefully, then I will explain it. Okay, when the rain comes tumbling down in the country or the town, all good little girls and boys stay at home and mind their toys. Robert thought, no, when it pours, it better out of the doors. Rain it did, and in a minute, Rob was in it. Here you see him, silly fellow, underneath his red umbrella. What a wind! Oh, how it whistles through the trees, flowers, and thistles. It has caught his red umbrella. Now look at him, silly fellow. Up he flies to the skies. Here, children, tumbling down means to fall and roll over. Country means village. Yes, country means a nation also, but here in the poem, country means village. Okay, town. Town is a place which is larger than a village but smaller than a city. Okay. Here, mind their toys. Mind their toys means play with their toys. Okay. And when it pours means when it rains. Okay. So when the rain comes tumbling down in the country or the town, all good little girls and boys stay at home and mind their toys. Here, children, the poet is saying that whenever it rains in the country or in the town, okay, all the good girls and boys means all the good childrens, they stay at home and play with their toys. They do not go out of the house. Okay, they stay at home and they play with their toys and they do their work. Okay, Robert thought, no, when it pours, it better out of the doors. Rain it did, and in a minute Rob was in it. So here, children, you can see Robert and Rob. Two names you can see here. Yes, Robert and Rob are name of the same boy. Robert is the nickname of Rob. So don't get confused, okay? And here, children, it pours matlab, it pours means when it rains heavily. Okay. So children, when it was raining, Robert thought that it is better to go out and play. Okay, play where? Play in the rain and not to stay back at home like other children. Okay, and in 1 minute means in no time, without thinking, Rob was outside the house. He was playing and enjoying in the rain, as you can see in this picture also. In the rain, he is playing outside. Okay, here you see him, silly fellow, underneath his red umbrella. What a wind! Oh, how it whistles through the trees and flowers and thistles. Here, children, silly fellow. Who is the silly fellow? Yes, correct. This Robert is the silly fellow. And why poet is calling him silly fellow? Because he is the one who is playing, dancing, and enjoying in the rain. He is outside of the house playing in the heavy rain. Okay, instead of staying in at home like other good children, he is out of the house playing in the rain. Okay, and here children, one more whistles. Whistles, what is the meaning of whistle? When the wind moves very fast now, it makes sound, that is called as whistling sound. Okay, and here thistles. Thistles means plant with needle like leaves. Okay, plants which have pointed leaves. Okay, pointed means needle type sharp leaves. Okay, Here, children, we can see Robert the silly fellow under his red umbrella. Okay, he was enjoying playing outside in the rain and he's very happy. Okay, and the wind is blowing very fast. Okay, it is making whistling sound. Hmm. And because of this heavy wind, what is happening? Trees, flowers, and small plants are moving very fast. Okay, because of this heavy wind, as we can see in the picture also. Okay, and underneath means under. Okay, underneath his red umbrella means Robert was under his red umbrella. Okay, children, it has caught his red umbrella. Now look at him, silly fellow. Up he flies to the skies. Now, here, children, it means heavy wind. Okay, heavy wind has caught his red umbrella. Whose red umbrella? Robert's red umbrella. Okay, so heavy wind has caught Robert's red umbrella. And as Robert was holding the umbrella, what happened? Robert also started going up in the sky with it. Okay, now here, children, silly fellow. Who is silly fellow here? Yes, Robert is the silly fellow. Okay, now look at him, silly fellow. Up he flies to the skies. Now, poet is saying that look at this silly fellow. Who silly fellow? This Robert. Look at this silly fellow. Why he is silly? Why poet is calling him silly? Because he is the one who was playing out of the doors in the rainy season. Okay, and as it was raining heavily and wind was blowing very fast, what happened? Robert blown away by the storm. Okay, now here, children, poet wrote this poem to inform that if children don't follow the rules, they have to undergo lots of problems. Okay, so we have to follow our parents and we should obey the rules. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood this poem. If any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, you message me. Thank you, children.